Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got one of my favorites right here. It's a 1970 C10. It has a body off frame restoration just 482 miles ago. Absolutely gorgeous color. It's got the 6.0. It's got all the goodies. I'll tell you all about it. Or if you want to go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in the C10. Yeah, just a gorgeous truck. Everything about it is spot on. I know there's other beautiful trucks and other beautiful cars, but every once in a while you get that one special vehicle that everybody takes note. You know, you'll have compliments like you wouldn't believe. It can be sitting against a whole bunch of other beautiful cars. People will come up to this one and compliment it. I know that for a fact because I've already had it happen to me several times. I took this truck out on my day off. I drove it all around town. It was fantastic. 482 miles on the body off frame restoration. It's an Alabama truck. There's no rust. It's all metal, professionally restored. This is a modern color. It's called surf blue. They use it on some newer Mopars. It has like a blue chrome look to it. The way the metal flake sparkles in the sunlight almost looks like anodized blue. It's got a really nice color. The metal flakes laid out nice. The clear coat's polished nice and smooth and glossy. The body works exceptional. The doors open and close so nicely. 20-inch wheels. They did a nice job picking the wheels. It's kind of a polished but yet a satiny look, and it has the gray on the fronts of the spokes. BFGoodrich tires, they're G-Force tires. All the marker lights, tail lights, turn signals, they're all new and they're LEDs. I'll show you the headlights in a minute. They're halo headlights. All the trim and chrome is all new. There are some light scratches on top of the grille, but I mean, it's new, it's beautiful. It has a metal cowl hood, new emblems, new mirrors, new handles, new windshield, all new rubber gaskets around the windows, new weather strips around the door jambs. There are two screws here painted blue. I imagine that's where the original mirrors would have been. It's a stepside bed. The whole bed is actually new, all new. We'll show you in a minute, but it has a Chevy emblem embossed right into the front of it here. So it's a new bed, stepside, all tinted glass. The LED taillights I told you about, new bumper. There's chrome lettering on the tailgate here. There's new chains on the tailgate. The good old days, simple. So it's all oak bed. One board does have a crack down the middle of it. It must have shrunk and cracked, but this refinished oak, all stainless steel strips, all stainless steel hardware. The fuel, is behind the seat on these. A lot of people do relocate them. This fuel tank's relocated under the truck, and it has a pop-up gas cap. It's just about flush with the floor. It pops open. Leather interior, great set of gauges, Dakota digital gauges. We'll get to that in a second. It's a 6.0 Vortec motor. They had the motor all apart. They put in a stage 3 cam and lifters, high volume oil pump, all new gaskets. It was dyno tuned. It has a set of ceramic coated exhaust manifolds, a Spectre cold air intake system, serpentine belt system, a new alternator. It has power steering, complete vintage air heat and air setup, polished compressor and dryer, Optima battery, big polished aluminum Champion radiator with dual electric fans, chrome plated brake booster and master. These hinges, I love these hinges, really cool set of billet hinges. That's a genuine leather seat with an armrest. All this documentation, extra set of keys comes with the truck. They put retractable seat belts in here. Genuine leather on the custom-made door panels, new armrests, new handles and cranks. The whole inside of the cab was painted blue. The same blue as the outside and has a really nice finish. It's like new latches, new sill plates, all polished. It's got a tilt column with a beautiful custom steering wheel, and everything's new. The visors, the mirror, the dash pad, the vintage air controls, they're backlit white, they light up. Really nice set of Dakota digital gauges. They light up a nice bright white. Includes a clock, a tachometer, and the little like odometer, the little digital readouts. There's a button. It can tell you your quarter mile times, and it can keep track of all sorts of information. The halo headlights should be on right now. Give you an idea what those look like. And in the engine compartment here, it's also all new wire harness with the push-in fuses. I don't know if I mentioned the power brakes. It's all chromed. Looks like the washers are hooked up. Everything's painted nice. Has these custom, they're aluminum or stainless filler panels up here. Beautiful motor compartment. Air cleaner lids painted to match. Oh, underneath the truck. Yeah, body was off the frame. The whole chassis was painted and restored. All new nuts, bolts, hardware. All new brake system. Disc in front. E-brakes hooked up. All new fuel system I was telling you about earlier, and it has the fuel pump and the high pressure fuel lines. It was $500. There's a receipt. You know, it goes along with the fuel injection system. It's a 12-bolt rear end, all rebuilt. It has a new Eaton Posi unit with a chrome cover. It's the 4L80E. It's an electronic overdrive automatic. It has a 10-inch torque converter in it, a new one. Bottom of the motor has the aluminum oil pan, high torque starter. Suspension front and back completely rebuilt. It's been lowered. All new springs, shocks, bushings. Lost my train of thought. It has sway bars front and back, new ones. It has billet pedals. Fired up for you. The retro stereo, it actually looks like an AM radio, but it's all modern, digital, has Bluetooth. There's 6x9 speakers in the corners, kick panel speakers down below. I forgot to tell you about the MagnaFlow stainless steel mufflers, nice exhaust system with the X-pipe. This truck is slick. It's I started off by saying it's one of my favorites. It really is. Chains are new. One more. And it drives as nice as it looks. I'm telling you, I just ran around town all day with this thing, and it just did everything right. It rides, handles, steers, accelerates, stops. Fantastic. It looks gorgeous. This is one of those exceptional vehicles. A lot of beautiful vehicles. In my opinion, this one's exceptional. So visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of the truck. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They can also help with delivery, financing. That's at volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.